Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I will show you guys how to lock and unlock apps on Realme phone. Friends, you want to lock any app on your Realme phone, so how to lock app, let's see in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So guys, on your Realme phone guys, you want to lock any app. So how to lock? First guys, you will have to on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click on your password and biometric, and then click on your privacy password. So friends, I have privacy password, so I can lock and unlock app easily. Friends, you don't have privacy password, then first you will have to set up your privacy password, then guys you can lock any app. So we will click on privacy setting, we will click on app lock and enter your privacy password, and once you can lock any app. Example guys, I will lock music app, and guys I will lock photos, and I will look as YouTube app and file. Now friends, when I will use YouTube friends, you can see I have app lock. When I will log as app lock password, I can unlock as YouTube app, and friends I can use it. Same setting guys with music app guys, when I will on click on music app. So guys, I have app lock is when I will draw app lock password, I can use music app. So like that friends, we can lock app and we can use it. And friends, you want to unlock app, so how to unlock, let's see. Friends, click on again phone setting guys, search here app setting guys, and friends click on app lock setting will on. Friends, draw your password or enter your password, which app guys you want to unlock, you can unlock. Friends, you can see YouTube I will locked only, and this app guys I will unlock. So friends, you can see when I will on file, friends you can see I don't have any app lock, I can on direct. So like the guy, we can lock and unlock apps on a Realme phone. And friends, you can see when I will use guys YouTube app, friends I have YouTube is locked. So like this friends, we can lock and unlock apps on our Realme phone device. And friends, you don't want to lock any app, so guys again click here guys app lock setting guys, and friends you can unlock your app. Tap here, and friends you can unlock your all app. So as your all app will unlock, and friends now friends you can check guys, now guys we will on YouTube. So we can on get direct without enter any password. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to lock and unlock apps on Realme phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.